First, place the jack on the right side of the car and line it up with the metal tab here. Jack it up until the front right wheel is off the ground. Next, loosen the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Now you'll see the wheel well liner. Remove all the clips holding it in place, then pull the liner back. Up top, there's the headlight module. Take out the 3 screws, pop off the cover, and disconnect the clip. You'll notice there are 3 screw holes here. Remove the rubber seal, back out the 2 screws, and the headlight module will come right out. Now grab the new right side headlight module. Wipe down the back, spread the thermal paste evenly, then press it into position. Tighten the 2 screws, put the rubber seal back on, snap in the clip, cover it, and reinstall the 3 screws. At this point, you'll need to run the black wiring harness upward. Open the front trunk, remove the 4 screws, take off the trim panel, and pop out the clips. Then pull out the air intake cover and the intake duct, and finally lift out the frunk itself. That'll give you access to route the wiring from the new headlight module up into the frunk. Disconnect the factory harness, grab the new harness, and connect one end to the factory plug. Then feed the other end through this hole. The other end of the new harness connects to the wire you just pulled through from the headlight module. Once it's connected, secure everything neatly with tape. At this point, the new harness will only have 1 red wire and 1 long black wire left. Run the red wire to the battery, pop open the red cover, and hook it onto the terminal. The headlight should light up. Then close the red cover back down. Route the long black wire over to the left side and connect it to the harness coming from the left headlight module. You should now see the left headlight light up too. Once that's confirmed, tape up the wiring to keep it secure. Finally, reinstall the frunk. Snap the trim back into place. Press down the air intake duct and the cover. And tighten the 4 screws. Once the frunk is secured, put the wheel liner back in. Reinstall the clips, mount the wheel, and tighten the lug nuts. Lower the car off the jack and give the lug nuts a final tighten. And that's it. The installation is complete.